Okay. Sorry. So in the last session, we basically learned how to create a visual force page using a standard controller. So we are calling the standard controller of Salesforce standard pages, and then we are using it to display the data, right? So which is pretty simple. We just saw that. Okay, fine. Let me just go back to one of the pages that we created. Give me one quick moment. Let me log in into the account. So Bhaskaran, you there? Can you just give me the password one more time? I think I missed out on your password. Is there? I think he has not joined yet. Now the point is, input field allows you to enter the values for the fields, right? And the next question is how to save the changes to database. That's the next question. For that we need command button. Okay. To save the changes we need an action, and that action will be done using the command button. Okay. So we will use the command button component here. Okay. Command button has got two attributes. One is value. Value can be anything. It can be any text. Another is action. Action has to be saved. Alright. This action means save the record. Which record? This record. So when this action is called on a standard controller page, it saves the record. Which record? The record with this ID. Okay. What is value? Value is any text that appears on the button. See? So value is what appears on the button, any text or whatever you write here that appears on the button. You click on this, it is going to save the changes. If I say Burlington Textile Corp, type equals installation partner, industry equals agriculture. Just click on this button, it will save. See? Changes got saved. So which means whatever changes you made on the page now got saved in the database. Right? Simple. That's how it works. Okay. So let's create one more page. Just time for contact. I'm just trying to type most of the things so that people who are not able to hear me, at least they can understand what is going on. I'm pretty sure most of you are able to hear me, but just in case someone is having difficulty. Okay, so one more page, and this time we are going to create a page for contact. All right, and in this page I want you guys to suggest what all needs to be written. All right, I'll just start the page and you guys will continue to suggest me what needs to be written inside. Okay, so first of all we are gonna we want to create for contact view and edit page. We need to create, and the fields that we are going to display are first name, last name, email, phone, mobile, birthday. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the similar kind of a page we're gonna create for contact, and this is something that you guys are gonna suggest me how to do it. All right. Let's get started. What was the last one that we created? 5. Okay. Okay. So do I need to use a standard controller here? Do I put here? Contact or contacts? Want you to give me exact spelling for everything. If you need, you just go back to your setup, customize contact fields, and then check the spellings and all, and give me the correct spellings. I still see some people typing in contacts. What is the logic for contacts here? It's object name. Please go back and check object name. Object name is contact. Okay, not contacts. Okay, anyways, so this one is fine. Okay. Page block is fine. Title. What should be the title? Creating a page block. What should be the title? Anyone? Can be anything. Doesn't matter. So fine. Let's put anything. Okay. If I suggest view and edit contact, I'll use that. Let's use suggest. All right. Now let's create page block section. If you make spelling mistakes, then you won't get intelligence, like I did in this case. Let me just use the same kind of a title. View section. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to display the data. So what all fields we need to display? Can you just give me the correct names of these fields? These are 6 fields. First name, last name, email, phone, mobile. Okay. You get me the value for this and for all these fields. Quick. What do I put here? Okay, I got the first one. Now give me the other ones quickly. Okay. Fine. I'm just going by what you guys have suggested. Fine. So I say this. Let me get the ID of a contact. Invalid field called invalid field mobile. What is the field? Mobile is not a valid field. So what is the correct field? Birthday is also not the correct field. Birth date. Okay, anytime we are doing these kind of activities and I'm asking for suggestions from you, I expect you to go back, double check and then give the replies on this. All right, please don't make guesses here like now you did. Now you guys went back and checked it. Do it that way. All right. Okay, fine. So this part is fine. The same thing we can actually create for this part. This page block section. Okay. And then we will use the input field for all these fields. All right. Input field component for all these fields, and then will need to use a command button. Use a save action here. And we also need to use an apex form. Very good. Apex form also needs to be used here. Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it here. I want you guys to complete this page on your own. Alright. So please complete this on your own. And then tomorrow once we meet, we are gonna start discussing about the other stuff. We'll take questions on today's session in tomorrow's session only, because today again somehow there is some audio problem and we are kind of running short of time also. So we are gonna take the question in tomorrow's session only. Alright. Okay. Fine. So I'll see you all tomorrow then, same time. Thank you guys.